Hi, my name is Ahmad Najjar, and I'm a senior consultant and a business applications MVP. I am really excited to present my ESPC 21 online tutorial called Building Solutions with Power Apps in Power Automate, along with my friend Serge Luca on Friday, May 28th. This is a level 100 tutorial and is aimed at all IT professionals, developers, and even citizen developers. The world is in need for great solutions today, and you can build yours with Power Apps in Power Automate. And in our full day tutorial, we will show you how to do exactly that. Our tutorial is not to be missed, where you will leave with the knowledge and skills to build great Power Apps and Power Automate based solutions, Power Platform 360 knowledge, and finally, tips and tricks on Power Apps and Power Automate. We promise you an excellent tutorial, and we look forward to meeting you all.